ठीक है. Now we will understand case of oversubscription. So what is the meaning of oversubscription? We have issued 10,000 shares but receiving the application for 12,000 shares. Alternative for adjustment of oversubscription means oversubscription ko how we will adjust. First case, return the excess in full. Whatever amount we are getting in excess, we will return the whole amount. It is the first adjustment. Now the second one, adjust the excess on remaining installment. What we will do? We will adjust the excess on remaining installment. Whatever installment we are calling further, we will adjust the excess on the remaining installment. Now third one is combination of our two we can use. Now the question for understanding this case of oversubscription, in first case we will take the example return the excess in full. Now the question is RIA Limited issues 10,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each payable at rupees 5 on application, rupees 3 on allotment and rupees 2 on first and final call. Application received for 12,000 shares, remaining would be refunded. Means we are solving the equation for the return the excess in full. Now how we will solve the equation? So first entry will be bank account debit. Now we have received the application for 12,000 and the application amount is 5. So 12,000 multiplied by 5 will give us 60,000. To share application account, which is again 60,000. Fine. Now the second entry will be share application account debit, which is again 60,000 to equity share capital account Now equity share, if we are talking about the equity share, 10,000 we need to issue. Application amount is 5. So 10,000 multiplied by 5 will get 50,000 and the excess amount is 10,000, which we will return to the shareholders account, which is 10,000. Fine. Now the next entry will be for the share allotment. So share allotment account debit. And what is the allotment money? Allotment money is 3. For how many shares? 10,000 shares. So share allotment account debit, which is 30,000 to equity share capital account, which is again 30,000. Now this money will come in the bank, which is bank account debit for 30,000 to share allotment account, which is again 30,000. Now the next will the first call. So share first call account debit. So in first call how much money we are calling? It is rupees 2. So 2 into 10,000 will give us 20,000. 20,000 to equity share capital account again 20,000. The next entry will be again bank account because this money will come in the bank. So debit 20,000 to share first call account again 20,000. हो गया, 10 मिनट्स का हो गया होगा ये तो, हो गया ना. Now issue of shares. How we will pass the journal entries for the installment when we issue the share in the installment. So first we need to understand what are the installment in which we can issue the share. The first installment is for share application and the second installment is for share allotment when we allot the shares. Third installment is for first call when we call the money for first time. Fourth installment will be for second and the final call. Now to understand this installment part, we will take the example. Pause हो जाएगा बीच में. For understanding this part, we can take the example. A company issues 10,000 shares at the rate of 10 each, 3 rupees at the time of application, 3 rupees at the time of allotment, 2 rupees at the time of first call and 2 rupees at the time of second call. Now how we will pass the entry for the question, we will understand here. The first entry is bank account debit, which is 30,000. So how this 30,000 will come? It is 10,000 share multiply by 3, that is 10,000 multiply by 3 will get 30,000. To share application account, बैंक में money क्यों आया? For the share application which is 30,000. Again the next entry is share application account debit, which is again 30,000 to equity share capital account. Now the next entry when we allot the share allotment account debit, it is 30,000 to equity share capital account again 30,000. This is for the allotment part. Now share first call. What will be the entry when we call the money for first call? Now the share first call account debit, which is 20,000 to equity share capital 20,000. Why the 20,000 will come? At the time of first call we have call 2 rupees for each share. So 2 into 10,000 will come 20,000. Now to equity share capital. Now first call equity share capitals को issue करने के लिए हम करेंगे, then again 20,000 will come. Now bank account debit which is 20,000. Now जो हम equity share capital allot कर रहे हैं उसके लिए हमें बैंक में 20,000 rupees place करने पड़ेंगे. To share first call account which is again 20,000. Now share second call which is again 20,000 because we are calling rupees 2 for the second time also. So 2 into 10,000 will come 20,000 to equity share capital account 20,000. Now the bank account up to whatever we call for the second time, then we will get in the bank, which is bank account debit 20,000 to share second call account 20,000. So these will be the entries which we will pass when the shares will issue for the installment, in which the first installment will be the share application. We have passed the entries for the first application. Now if we are talking about the second application, which is known as share allotment, so for share allotment we will pass the entry like this, and for third first call, that is we will pass the entry like this, and the fourth part, which is second or final call, we will pass the entry like this. हो गया कितना 10 मिनट्स का हो गया ना ये.